Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder to all my viewers, guys, if you guys have not joined my Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news, and the trends are revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. But now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.66 trillion. We're down 2.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing some mild green across the board, but this is nothing to get excited about because Bitcoin still has not reached the price points that I wanted to reach. If you guys have been following me on my channel for the last week, I have been saying this constantly that even when we were seeing major green across the board, a recovery basically, if you want to say, I'm sorry, I was saying, guys, I am not convinced the bottom is in because we need Bitcoin to hit certain price levels for me to be convinced, and Bitcoin was unable to do that. So still all eyes are on Bitcoin, and we will see what will happen in the immediate short term. I will share some Bitcoin charts with you guys later on to see where we could potentially be going in the next week or so. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Bittorrent. All right, BTT family. If we're looking at a Bittorrent's price right now, I'm sorry, Bittorrent is currently trading at 0.00385 cents. It's down 2.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 1.7% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Bittorrent's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 49th spot. Market cap right now is $2.53 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $600 million. Right off the bat, guys, the 24-hour trading volume is low for a project like a BTT, but this should not come as a surprise to anyone because right now the market overall sentiment is not bullish, so there's not much hype right now across the board, but this will increase organically in my opinion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, I always like seeing this, so all my viewers can get a better understanding as to how far BTT has already come up, despite the fact that there's still so much bloodbath going across the board. If we're looking, guys, in just the last year alone, BTT is still up 1200%, guys. 1200%. Anyone who bought BTT early last year, a year ago, they are up 1200%, even though we are down 46.7% in just the last 30 days. So I always like to bring that out for you guys so you guys can get a better picture as to what is going on. In the last 30 days, yes, we are down 46.7% and we're down quite substantially. But, this is not only BTT, guys. We always have to keep in mind this is the entire market. You guys know what happened over the last week. We did see markets tumble towards the downside because of the FUD that came. And you guys know we can't do anything about this because at the end of the day, these markets do run with Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin decides to do, the markets will do. And Bitcoin decided to go towards the downside, so the entire market is also went towards the downside. We saw $1 trillion get wiped out, guys, in just a week. $1 trillion got wiped out from the markets in just a week. This is the wild west of crypto, so welcome. And I know this is crazy, but you're in it for a ride. But now if we're looking at BTT's price right off the bat, you know what, let me bring up the Fibonacci retracement level right away for all my viewers so we can get right into the content. All right, guys, if we are, just give me 1 second. Come on. By the way, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you for taking your time out to watch my video. So, all right, if we're looking at BTT's price right now, BTT is hovering between this level of support at that 0.002 and this level of resistance at that 0.00426 cents. And as you guys may know, if you are a follower on my channel for a while and you guys have been watching my BTT updates for quite a while, you guys know why I have been saying that this level of support, guys, at that 0.004 cents is very, very crucial. I do not like seeing BTT below that, but right now, obviously, the Bitcoin momentum can take us below that. Doesn't matter how strong the level of support is. As you guys can see, we did go above this just a couple days ago at that 0.0046 cents, but since then, guys, we are down. To be exact, we are down 18.89%. Majority of the markets are down 20% from just 2 days ago. Because all eyes are still on Bitcoin, guys. You know, we need Bitcoin to do something for us to be sure as to what is going to happen with the entire market. You know what, so let's jump into Bitcoin charts, and then I will come and continue talking about Bittorrent and where I personally could see Bittorrent go in the immediate short term. So let's bring out BTC charts. All right, guys, so BTC is doing some insane things. Absolutely insane things, but again, we can't really do anything about that but just wait. So as you guys can see, let me bring out the pen. As you guys can see, this was our initial price, crash. We saw a major spike towards the upside. A lot of people were calling this to be the bottom. And if you guys are a follower on my channel, I did say, guys, do not get excited. We need to get above this level of support, and most importantly, $46,600. But we were unable to do that. This was a clear fake out towards the upside. We saw a double bottom occur, and then we did see another top at that $41,000 mark, and right now we are hovering towards the sideways. And last thing, if you guys watched my VeChain and Cardano video today, I did say last thing we want to see is get below this level of support, guys. We do not want to fall below $36,130 level. We want to stay above this level of support, and Bitcoin is literally right above that right now. And there is a high chance, as much as I hate saying this, guys, there's a high chance of us falling below this. And if that happens, guys, there is definitely a potential for Bitcoin to have a triple bottom, and obviously that will create a lot of panic across the board, guys. We will see altcoins bleed very hard. If we were to have a triple bottom, let's say we go back to 30K, that would be you know what, let me just measure that would be roughly around 30,000, 17.6% drop for Bitcoin. Is that likely? Yes, guys, that's definitely a possibility to occur. But if we go towards the upside, at least this $43,126 level, that is currently, if we measure it from here, that is currently 20% away. So either or, it's a 50-50 chance right now, guys. We are literally hovering right above the level of support. See, 18.34%, almost the same, percentage either towards the upside or towards the downside. Obviously, everyone would like for us to get towards the upside, but you guys know what the whales could do. They could try to manipulate the markets and create panic, because they love shaking out the weak hands, so they can be accumulating at a cheaper price, and we have no control over that. So let's say if Bitcoin were to get below this level of support and fall and have a triple bottom, I'm sorry, then guys, I hate to say it, we could fall back down to this level of support. You guys can see for BTT, this level of support is playing out very crucially. So you guys can see we came down here once, a wick past it, had a nice rally towards the upside. Double bottom, as you guys can see, wicked right on it, and boom. And there's a potential, obviously, if Bitcoin were to fall down to 30K, we could potentially see these prices occur once again. And if you missed the boat, I'm not saying this is 100% certain this is going to happen. There is a possibility that it could happen. So if you missed the boat and you wanted to dollar cost average around those prices, that might be a possibility to occur. But I'm not saying this is going to happen 100%. But right now, if we're looking at Bitcoin's price, guys, realistically speaking, there is a potential that Bitcoin could go towards the downside. It is not looking bullish right now. And if you guys were watching my video over the last week when we were seeing green across the board, some altcoins were up, 30-40%. Everyone was saying, you know what, guys, the bottom is in, everything is going to the top, we're about to see some crazy moves. And there was me, guys, sitting there and saying, no, guys, I'm not happy right now unless the Bitcoin reaches specific levels. And, you know, as a matter of fact, we did see markets tumble towards the downside once again. So right now, what I would like for BTT to do is, most importantly, guys, get above this level of support and, stay above it. Doesn't matter how long it takes for BTT to stay, but stay above it. But this could be invalidated if Bitcoin does have a further correction towards the downside. But I would like for us to get above this, and if Bitcoin does see the 43K level, guys, this is my next price target for BTT at that 0.007 cents mark. I would not be surprised if BTT goes there, if markets do tend to recover, especially Bitcoin. And that would be, if we bring out the measuring tool, guys, around from these price levels, that would be a roughly 82% price gain. That is, a possibility if Bitcoin does hit 43K, in my opinion, and we will gradually go towards the upside, slowly, step by step. But this is the next price target, which is the bullish scenario for myself. Bearish scenario, as I have mentioned already, that we could possibly fall back down to these levels. Obviously, no one wants to see that happen, but considering Bitcoin's momentum right now, guys, we have to face it and, face reality and accept the fact that there is a potential for us to fall towards the downside. So be prepared. We will find out in the next maybe 4 or 5 hours to see what is going to happen, or most importantly in the next 24 hours to see what kind of move is going to happen with Bitcoin. Like I said, we do not want to fall below $36,000 level for Bitcoin, and we will go from there. But BTT still has a very high potential, in my opinion, this bull cycle. I know the bull cycle is not over. I'm very confident about that, because this is just my own personal opinion, guys. We're seeing so much bullish news coming back to back. There's institutionals coming in, billionaires investing into crypto, companies coming into blockchain. It's just, we're in a bull market right now, guys. These kind of pullbacks are very, very normal, guys. Nothing is going to go up straight forever. You guys know I always say that nothing is ever going to go up straight forever in one line, guys. I'm pretty sure everyone is starting to see that now occur. And also, guys, do not get greedy. When we do see price movements like this, do take profits, and buy back the dips once these kind of dips occur, or use that money for your own personal use, because at the end of the day, we are here to make money in these markets. I still believe, I'm still strong believer that BTT can pull up 5 to 6x this bull run. I do hold BTT, and I do believe that there is a possibility, but like I said, this could be invalidated if Bitcoin decides to go below towards the downside and actually see even further downwards momentum below 20K. Then this will invalidate that prediction. But overall, I believe that, if we were to see that parabolic type of magnitude of a bull run that we did see back in 2017, I would not be surprised if BTT does pull, a 5 to 6x from these price levels. Considering it is backed by Tron, it's built on Tron, and guys, Tron is a sleeping giant in my personal opinion, because how big the ecosystem is and how fast it's growing behind the scenes. If we go on Twitter, Justin Sun posted this. Congrats on the circulation amount of TRC20 USDT issued by Tether on Tron network exceeded $33.9 billion. So $33.9 billion dollars is on the Tron network right now of Tether, guys. More than Ethereum, more than Solana. That's absolutely mind-blowing, guys. And over time, as more and more projects get developed on Tron, as a Tron ecosystem grows day by day, we will see organic growth, and all the projects that are linked with Tron, especially the ones that are owned by Justin Sun, because Justin Sun owns both BTT and Tron. So these projects tend to move together. If you guys can go look for yourself. They are very, very correlated with one another, because at the end of the day, they are owned by the same person, and Justin Sun can bring major, major hype. I have said this before too. If you want a project to get hyped, he has the connections and he has the ways to bring in the hype. So that is a major, major plus sign for BTT itself. I'm not saying BTT will pull 100x, or and one thing, yeah, actually, let me get back to it. So basically, I'm not saying a BTT can pull 100x. I'm keeping it realistic. I personally, this is again my own personal opinion, I could see BTT pull a 5 to 6x from these price levels. It could even be higher, or it could be lower, guys. We just have to wait and see. But like I mentioned, all these factors, if these all factors were to play out, we could see BTT go towards the upside, as I have mentioned. And also, guys, I want to answer one important question, the most important question before I end this video, and that is, will BTT hit $1? Guys, BTT will not hit $1. I'm sorry to break it to you guys. That is very, very unrealistic. In order for BTT to hit $1, guys, we need a circulation. I mean, we need a market cap of $659 billion. Now, you may be asking, Crypto ZX, what's so bad about that? Guys, $659 billion market cap puts Bittorrent ahead of Tron. Not only that, it puts it ahead of Ethereum, the second most highest market cap coin in the cryptocurrency space, the second largest coin in crypto, guys. At the end of the day, very, very unlikely. I do not see that happening, guys. Sorry to break it to you guys, but if Tron, if Bittorrent has a major, burn, like token burn, then definitely we could see us hit $1, depending on how big the token burn really is. So I just wanted to put that out there, guys. I keep it realistic with you guys. I am not going to spread fake hope around here. We keep everything realistic here, and that's how I like to move, and I'm transparent with you guys, and I just like helping my viewers because I care about each and every one of you guys, and I want you guys to win these markets. But $1 for Bitcoin is highly unlikely with these kind of supply. But if we did have a burn, yes, it's definitely a possibility for us to see that happen. But I think this is it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see Bittorrent trading at the end of June. The month of June is approaching, so let me know that. And also, guys, come join the Telegram group chat, guys. During the downward trend, talking to someone does help you guys out, makes you feel better, and also you might learn something new that you do not already know, how to stay away from scams, the market trends, news. It's just a great time, on that chat. So come join the group and stay safe out there, guys. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And please, guys, before I end this video, guys, smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button, because this helps out my videos get to a wider audience. It helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out, so that would be greatly appreciated. And also, turn on the bell notification icon. That will notify you whenever I upload a video, so you guys do not miss that. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. I love each and every one of you guys. I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.